beautiful Mother's Day. And as you can see, she's actually knitting, making a Mother's Day card. So she's using her time wisely. She's, they're feeding her the Jello. She's taking her meds like she's supposed to. Folks think I be joking when I say.
Oh.
So this video is for you guys that want to get y'all a cougar. This is what y'all gonna have to deal with. Y'all have to deal with it.
Oh my God, I'm 4 months older than you.
And it's her Alzheimer's kicking in. But she's 44, I'm 43. That's a whole year.
Oh my God.
But as y'all can see, always spend time with them when they're at the nursing home. We are at nursing home Havana. It's called the Havana Bar. And I have to let her get her time in. Y'all see she got her arts and crafts going on. Even though we're on the cruise, but she's doing her arts and crafts, and we have to give them her time. And that's what I'm doing. I'm giving her her time, and I'm compromising. So she says she's having altercations with one of the other elderly folks up here, so we're gonna figure that out.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.